Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a chamber with a vacuum gauge reading at 40 kPa and we have an atmospheric pressure of 100 kPa. What is the absolute pressure inside the chamber? Step 1. Draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We have a chamber, we have a vacuum gauge, and the outside atmospheric pressure is 100 kPa. So that's step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. Step 2, list all the given and the unknown, what you're trying to find. So we've got atmospheric pressure and gauge pressure. 100 kPa for atmospheric and 40 kPa for gauge. We're trying to find the absolute. Step 3, find the formula for absolute pressure. So PABS or P absolute. The absolute pressure is equal to P ATM minus P gauge. So ATM is the atmospheric, P gauge is gauge. Okay, so 100 minus 40 kPa is 60 kPa for your absolute pressure. Okay, disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. So you can do this by using the snipping tool. If you've never used it before, you can follow the instructions. If you're on Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So for Windows, you can find this in your taskbar. Click on the icon. If it's not there, type in the Windows search, snipping tool, and then follow the instructions. Click on the video icon, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle, cover your YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown. Then hit the replay button on YouTube, let it finish. Then hit the red square to stop recording and save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made-up question so they won't be able to find it. If you have questions, comments, or if you found a mistake, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.